Maris Racal inalis na sa isang makeup brand ng Dazzle Me. Inalis na siya at nag-end na ang kanilang partnership. So ano kayang dahilan, no? Grabe, agad-agad talaga. Preskong-presko ang balitang to, guys. Kapapasok ko lang. We have made the difficult decision to end our partnership with Maris Racal. Ito ang saad ng makeup brand na Dazzle Me sa kanilang inilabas na statement ngayong araw, December 5. After thoughtful consideration, we have made the difficult decision to end our partnership with Maris Racal. Working with her has been an amazing journey. Her energy, humor, and authenticity resonated deeply with our vision of bold, an inspiring Gen Z icon. However, we determined that moving in different direction is necessary to remain consistent with the principles that guide our brand. Wika pa sa kanilang post. As we move forward, we also take this moment to advocate for kindness and empathy with the online space. So ano kayang dahilan? May kinalaman ba to sa kanyang kinahaharap ngayon na issue? Sayang naman. The world is healing. May the world be a better place. The cheater may hopefully cease to exist. Saying naman, sayang naman endorsement niya sa Dazzle Me. Baka next na yung mistress ay mali. Vitress pala. A good decision indeed. Very deserved. In these times that I truly appreciate the cancel culture of South Korea. Great, so great. A right path can lead to a success goal. Hope she will learn the lesson. Good decision. Ang daming perfect. Ang tunay na kaibigan ay kumakampi sa tama. They need to protect the brand itself. And now, consequences are inevitably coming. Sometimes Nicholas' behavior leads to a hardcore lesson. Meron akong nabasa doon, Chads, kasi malandi ka rin, nag-reply ang isa. So, hindi pwedeng mag-judge ang judge na malandi. Outs, kawawa naman din si Maris. Pero that's karma. Consequences of her actions. Sana hindi siya i-judge based on that single mistakes lang. For sure, there are also good things about her. Don't be too hard, people. Oo naman, why support this kind of woman? Alam naman ang tama sa mali, pero pinili ang pansariling kate. And every action and decision we made, bad or good, there's always a consequence. Tama lang, may pinapangalagaan din silang principles eh. Ikaw kasi, Maris, wala bay na pagiging endorser, ha. Well deserved. Sana matuto na siya sa nagawaan niya at tigilan niya kasi ang bisyo. Well, a good decision indeed deserved. Perfect deserved. And so it begins. I will touch myself na lang, Maris. Deserve. Dapat si Guy din. Dazzle Me, ang ganda talaga ng mga products dito. The best. Very good. Well deserved. Pag di kasi siya kinancel, may maboboycott ang Dazzle Me. May tendency din. I feel sad for her. For sure, lahat naman ng tao nakakaramdam ng libog at di lang naman siya ang nag-iisang Pinay na malibog sa text. Million din naman. Na-magnify lang yung kanya kasi celebrity siya. I know what she did was wrong, but I still feel sad on her losing her endorsement and also all the bashing on she receives on social media. Kawawa din to si Maris, pinutakti. Akala mo naman yung iba makapag-comment, akala mo naman di nila gawain yan, nahuli lang si Rakal kaya malaman. Pero yung iba dito di pa nahuhuli, pero baka mas malala pa kay Rakal yan, ha 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 ha. Then I won't buy their products, as simple as that. Before judging, remember your own flaws. Kasalanan niya ni Anthony, di kasi nagets ni si Maris na mag-delete. I believe in karma. Karma will hunt you. Nagiging South Korea na din ang Pinas sa kabahan na yung mga cheater. Mali naman talaga ginawa niya, pero yung may magbunyi tayo sa downfall nila ay mali. Di naman sila sa atin nagkasala eh. Bakit pati tayo dapat galit sa kanila? Mag-delete kasi kaagad ng message, lalo pag nakalagay message is smoke and facts. Grabe naman to. Apaka-perfect ang mga ibang tao dito. Akala mo naman di nakapaglandian sa chat. Iba pa nga lalabas dibdib. Guys, doon na tayo sa totoo. Pero alam nyo guys, pinutakti din ng mga basher si Jambel Villanueva. So pareho pero mas madami ang mga basher ni Maris Rakal. Kasi syempre, siya yung main dito eh. Kasi siya yung nagsasabi na hindi, siya yung nagsasabi ng mga malalaswa. So, siya yung naanuhan ng mga basher, naanuhan ng mga marites. Pinutakti ng marites. Pero kung si Jam ay pinutakti din naman siya, pero hindi gaano. Si Maris talaga yung napuruhan dito, at saka si Anthony. So yun lang guys, anong masasabi nyo dito? Comment down kayo kung ano ang inyong naging pahayag sa pag-alis ng partnership nila kay Maris Rakal, ang Diesel Me. So mainit-init pa to guys. Today lang to in-announce ng Diesel Me na inalis na nila si Maris Rakal bilang endorser. So yun lang guys, kung bago pa lang kayo dito sa ating channel, please hit the notification bell, like, share, and subscribe. Karided Official TV. Hanggang sa muli, and thank you so much.